A leaky faucet can waste gallons of water every day. Here's how to fix it fast. This is the Daily Fix, where we share simple, everyday fixes anyone can do. A dripping faucet doesn't just make noise, it increases your water bill and can wear out your plumbing over time. First, turn off the water supply under the sink. Then, open the faucet to release any leftover water. Use a screwdriver or Allen key to remove the faucet handle. This gives you access to the internal parts. Most leaks are caused by a worn washer or cartridge. If it looks cracked or damaged, it needs to be replaced. Install a matching replacement part, making sure it fits properly and sits securely. Reassemble the faucet, turn the water back on, and test it. The dripping should be gone. If it still leaks, double-check the part size or consider replacing the cartridge completely. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more simple daily fixes. Thanks for watching the Daily Fix. Simple fixes made easy.